Hey people, hello, good morning. As you can see, today is another farm day. We are at the farm. Welcome back. Today I'm doing my paint work, and you can see I'm painting my avocados. Why paint your avocados? Some farmers or many farmers come to my farm and ask me. Therefore, we paint our avocado when they are young because they don't have so much canopy to protect them from direct sunlight. So if you expose your avocado to direct sunlight, when you're planting them in dry areas like this, you are exposing them to quite a high temperature that they get scorched or they can be burned by the rays of the sun. So therefore we paint it using emulsion or white emulsion. As you know, white color reflects light, and therefore we use some emulsion. We mix some white color or water color with water in a ratio of 1 to 2 parts or 1 to 3 parts. Maybe some people might ask me, why not paint with the paint that can last forever, or petroleum based paint? One, it is very expensive. Therefore, to reduce the cost, you use this emulsion or white emulsion. You mix with water, then you apply it on your avocados. It will take care of your plants when they are young, so you don't need a permanent paint. Therefore, we need paint while your avocados are young. That's when they don't have much canopy to protect them from direct sunlight. Apart from mulching, we do use paint. Therefore, I paint my avocados white in color. As you can see, you paint the stem part and you paint the branches which are exposed. So therefore you apply your colors to your avocado. You paint your avocado branches, the branches which are exposed, and the stem. So some farmers or some people use fungicide. They mix it with paint. It also protects the stem of your plant against some fungi diseases, and also it can scare away some insects. As you can see, insects, they fear, they can see white color on them, and they can be prevented from spoiling or destroying your stems. Therefore, painting is an important practice to do in your avocado farm. Like this, now I can paint. You can see even that one, I've painted it white, and this one helps to reduce transpiration or loss of heat through the stems. The leaves are okay because they are used to make food. Therefore, it's a good practice when you are planting your avocado in dry areas or dry places. Please do apply some paint. So that is it for today. That's our farm day. Today I'm here in another farm day. I'm here making a hay while the sun shines. The sun is very, very, very bright today. You can see I'm sweating, and therefore you need to paint or to avoid direct sunlight to your plantation. So I can say that is all I have today. You've learned something, or you have a comment, or you have a question, you can put down in the comment section. We can share a lot. Therefore, today is a painting day.